Well, I'm Batman. Welcome to Brightside. I'm playing with Nickelodeon slime. Okay.
All right, let's go.
Yeah. There's so much we want to do, so much we want to try. I want to play with you. Come and learn with Brightside. Welcome to Brightside.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Brightside. We tricked you. We said Batman was here, but it's actually Bryson and Dad and Bennett. All right, but we're gonna play with our slime today. We're gonna play with our CrazyArt Nickelodeon slime, and we're gonna do it as superheroes. So we're gonna get out the ingredients and start making some fun slime.
Maybe. Okay, it said, Bryson, now we have to add some of the color to it. So what color, Bryson, do you want to add? We've got white, blue. Oh, blue. Hey, Bennett, can I see the spoon? Thank you. To mix in with our slime ingredients. So we've got the, hold on, Bennett. So we've got the green spoon, and we're gonna dip it in, and hopefully not make a big mess.
Can I do it?
Hold on. Mix it in there. And I think we're gonna do a little bit more. It's gonna be pretty good. Okay. Okay, now to the next step. Batman, can you, oh, that's not Batman, it's Bryson. There's Batman. So you gotta take the slime stick. Can you grab one of the sticks right here?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and start mixing it together. Okay. Mix it good. Hold it with one hand. Keep doing it. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Keep it going. Now it's good and stirred. Great job, Batman. Next step is to take this little cup of slime activator. Go ahead and pour it in. Good job. And now, stir, stir, stir. Uh-oh, it's starting to slime up. What do you think, Batman?
Good.
It's really good. Keep, ew.
It's slimy.
All right, we gotta keep stirring. Keep it going. Stir so fast.
Is it done?
Not yet. We're close. Okay, Batman. So all of the slime activator solution is absorbed. So let's get this stuff out of the way. Now, you need to take the slime out of the bowl and start kneading it together and playing with it, going back and forth, stretching it out. This helps it to not be sticky. Ooh, gooey. I'm gonna help you, okay?
Okay.
So the slime is definitely slimy and sticky, huh, Batman?
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you think we should put some glitter in it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's pour some in. All right, now mix that up in that slime, buddy. Mix it, mix it. Ew. What's it feel like?
It's like the same thing.
Ew, it just feels slimy?
Yeah.
Yeah, once you pull it out of the bowl and show us what it looks like. Oh. Oh. Yuck. Wow.
This is very fun.
It is very fun, huh? You lied making slime. The Nickelodeon slime stuff with CrazyArt's pretty good. Oh, I want to see what your hands look like. Ah, yuck. You're all slimy and gooey and stretchy. Look at me, Bri. You're cute. All right, dude, why don't you like try and get it all out of that bowl and let's see what it looks like. Think you can? Oh, nice and gooey and slimy.
Ew.
Yeah. All right, well, I hope you guys had fun playing with Batman and Spidey at Brightside when we made Nickelodeon slime. All right, you guys have fun. We'll see you next time. Say bye.
Bye. If you like this video, get a thumbs up and subscribe.